Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over some technical analysis on ZNOG, ticker symbol ZNOG. Talk about what in the world is going on with the price action, where we might be going from here, key levels of support and resistance to take a look at in the short term and the long term. So before we get into it, a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, hit the notification bell, that way YouTube will let you know and release new content. So let's get right on into it. First of all, sorry guys, I've been out of the loop here for the past couple of weeks, and we did talk about how we were going to probably hit 3 cents maybe below and then pop up, but man, what a pop up from here, from 3 cents all the way to probably right about 6 cents, right under 6 cents. You could have doubled your money from 3 cents to here. Just pretty impressive. So we're going to take a look at the technicals, and I'm going to tell you what you can possibly expect in the short term. Then from here, we're going to take a look at the longer term daily chart like we do sometimes, and what we can expect from there. And then we'll talk about what could have possibly made the price go up. Okay, so one, was there an update? No. Two, was there a PR release? No. So just kind of keep that in mind. This happens sometimes, guys, as far as what ZNOG does on the price action. So we'll dive more into that soon. So we hit 3 cents. We started kind of rising a little bit, and then just basically went straight up here. We busted through that 4 cent or almost 4.5 cent resistance level. We went through the 0.0552 resistance level as well, as you see here, and got all the way to 0.0573. Poked our head up again a little bit, and my prediction with this, as you see, we're very overextended currently on the 180-day 4-hour time frame. I think we'll try to poke our head back up here again and probably get rejected, and I think that we're coming down and we're going to test this level right here, 0.0441. Okay, now in my opinion, I think this is where we bounce and then possibly temporarily come back and retest. But I think that we're going to see a retest here around the 5.5 to 6 cent mark. I think we're going to retest there and then get rejected there, and then it's going to tell us where we go from here. We're either going to go right back down to where we started, or we're going to bounce off of the 4.5 mark and we're going to continue to move higher from there. So your resistance right now, 0.0552, 063, 0708, 0804, and all the way to basically right at about 10 cents. So you still got some room to run. It's another potential double up play from this particular point. However, if you're looking for a swing play, I would not get in here. I would let this cool off first and let it fall down to about the 4 cent mark, and then let it kind of die down and see exactly what's going to happen, whether it be just kind of consolidating sideways, bounce off and pop up, whatever. But you don't want to buy here whenever it's overextended over value, because technically speaking, if you're identifying a pattern, making an educated guess, my educated guess would be it's going to come down before it goes back up. Okay, so you can get it in cheaper that way. Alright, so here's the longer term, guys, the daily chart dating back from January 2022 to yesterday, October 30th, 2024. Happy Halloween, by the way. And you see here, 3 cents is the overall floor on this particular chart here, and then your next leg up would be 11 a little over 11 cents, 11.35, right about 18, 22 and a half, 27, 32, right under 33, and then all the way to 42. So 42 is still the tip top as far as what the ceiling is going to be. We are still potentially forming a really large cup and handle pattern. However, that is going to possibly run out fairly soon, as you see this gap is starting to close. So if we're going to make a move up, and we're going to make a leg up, and we're going to start a big run to the upside based on momentum, now's the time to start it. Okay, I want to take a look at also, like I showed you, the indicator on the 180-day 4-hour, which is more of it's a longer term, but more of a shorter term compared to this. That's overvalued, and so is this here on the daily chart. So we are coming down at some point. The only question is how far we're going to come down. Also keep an eye on these two indicators. Notice how when I drag my cursor over here, it's lighting up. Typically what happens when the blue line crosses and goes underneath the pink, we signal some type of downtrend and fall. And as you see, that's what happened here. Okay. And then when this comes back up and goes over the top, we see some type of move to the upside. We are not there yet on the 180-day 4-hour time frame or the daily chart on this one here. As you see here, we crossed over that golden breakout and we rose to the upside all the way to 42 cents. So this is the main thing that I'm keeping an eye on. If we can gain some momentum and start slowly making our way back up, I think that this is going to be the indicator to watch to see if we can cross over. I really wouldn't take this run too serious until we get to, if we can get to 8 to 10 cents, then it would really kind of pique my interest. If we blow past this support, this resistance level here, I would really kind of start getting excited because there's something up. Now, in regards to that, what is up? Why are we making a move to the upside? Anticipation, for one. People are, thinking that they're going to come out with some type of announcement. And, the last update that we had, they paused operations and they gave us a time frame on when they would resume, and it should be getting close to that. Also, it could be pricing in a Trump win, which would be bullish for really any type of oil and gas stocks. Honestly, doesn't matter which one it would be. So that could be a possibility as well. Or it could just be people coming in, obviously a lot of buying pressure at the bottom and forcing the price up, and then they'll take profits and it'll fall back down. So a variety of different things. The one thing that it's not is anything legitimate at this point, because we don't have any type of update or PR, as we normally don't. So typically Monday, Thursday, keep that in mind, is whenever we hear from the company. So if we hear anything, it would be today or it would be next Monday, and then the cycle continues. So anyway, that's all I got for you in this one, guys. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one.